So you have a coworker that says, "Hey man, how's it going with your house being sold?" And they say, you know what? My agent did an open house this weekend. There were somewhere like 25 people came in and looked at our house, and I highly suggest you use this agent to help you sell your house. Oh, really? Because they did an open house, that's why I should use them to sell my. Oh, hold on a second. What? How long has it been listed? Oh no, we had it too high, and the pictures we didn't have the right pictures, and the market was kind of shifting. And well, hold on. So your agent does an open house, and you're convinced that they're doing all they can to help you sell that house? No, your agent did an open house to meet new buyers, and maybe even give them a snow job, new sellers. Let me list your house and I'll do an open house there too. Open houses don't sell houses. Open houses are what agents do to meet buyers and convince and persuade other sellers, hey, I'm the one to go with because I do open houses. It's another way to get a listing. It's another way to keep a listing. You'll have a seller that says, oh my gosh, we for some reason we don't have any traffic going through our house. Nobody's looking at this house. Maybe we need to go with another agent, which that never makes sense unless the agent you have doesn't answer their phone, which is typical. So they're convinced that because their agent is doing an open house that, oh my gosh, this is a great agent. If they only knew. If they only knew that agent's doing it to meet buyers. If they only knew that agent is doing it to convince other sellers, list with me, I'll do an open house. It's a gimmick. Look, the modern day open house is the internet. The modern day open house is the multiple listing service. So you want to show, let's say you're in a big town like Atlanta Metro, and you're showing it to everybody in your zip code. Let's say everybody in your zip code comes and looks at that house. Does that help the person relocating from Nebraska? No, it doesn't. Does that help somebody that has a family member in that same subdivision that says, I want to live in that same subdivision because that's where my pick a family member, that's where they live? Does that help at all? No. But does it convince you, Mr. Seller, that your agent is really doing all they can? It's a gimmick, folks. It's a gimmick. I'll say it again. Open houses are a gimmick to convince you to stay with that listing agent. It's Reggie Moon with Eclipse USA and Associates, brokered by eXp. You can reach me anytime at 404 Eclipse. Talk to you soon.